Welcome. Today is not just about money, it is about your future. Imagine this. You work hard every day, you earn money, but at the end of the month, there is nothing left. You feel tired, you feel stuck, you feel like something is missing. But listen carefully. The problem is not how much you earn. The problem is how you think about money. And today, you will change that. This is not just English practice. This is your money mindset training. Stay with me until the end. You will learn simple rules. You will think more clearly. You will feel more in control. Take a deep breath. Relax. Listen and speak with me. Let's begin. Part 1. Money is a tool. Many people chase money. They run fast. They work more, but they still feel empty. Why? Because money is not the goal. Money is a tool. Say it with me. Money is a tool. Again, money is a tool. You don't need to love money. You need to use it. Use it to build your life. Use it to create freedom. Use it to support your dreams. Think about this. A tool in the wrong hands does nothing, but in the right hands it creates something powerful. Now say, I use money to build my future. Your turn. Good. Part 2. Learn before you earn. Many people want fast money, but they don't want to learn. This is dangerous. Money without knowledge disappears. Say it. I learn before I earn. Again, I learn before I earn. You don't need to learn everything. Start small. Learn one new word today. Save, invest, budget. Use these words. Repeat them. Understand them. Small learning builds strong results. Your turn. I learn something new every day. Excellent. Part 3. Pay yourself first. This is a powerful rule. Most people spend first, then they try to save, but nothing is left. You must do the opposite. Save first. Say it. I pay myself first. Again, I pay myself first. When you receive money, save a part. 10%, 15%, even 5%. It does not matter. The habit matters. Each time you save, you build your future. Say, I save before I spend. Your turn. Great. Part 4. Choose what builds. You look at your life. Some things give you money. Some things take money away. You must learn the difference. Say, I choose what helps me grow. Again, I choose what helps me grow. Before you buy something, ask, does this help me grow? Or does it take from me? Simple question, powerful result. Your turn. I make smart choices. Good. Part 5. Keep life. Simple when people earn more. They spend more. New phone, new clothes, new lifestyle. And again, no money left. This is a trap. Say, I live simply. Again, I live simply. Simple life brings peace. Simple life builds freedom. You don't need more things. You need more control. Say, I control my money. Your turn. Very good. Part 6. Learn to wait. We live in a fast world. Buy now, get now, spend now. But strong people wait. Say, I can wait. Again, I can wait. Before you buy something, stop. Take a breath. Ask yourself, do I need this now? Or can I grow without it? Waiting is power. Each time you wait, you become stronger. Your turn. I choose patience. Excellent. Part 7. Give and grow. Money is not only for you. When you give, something changes inside you. You feel calm. You feel connected. You feel strong. Say, I give with purpose. Again, I give with purpose. You don't need a lot. Start small. Help someone. Share something. Give with intention. When you give, you grow. Your turn. I grow when I give. Beautiful. Now listen carefully. Money is not your enemy. Money is not your master. Money is your tool. And now, you know how to use it. Step by step, choice by choice, you can build a better life. You don't need to be rich today. You need to be consistent. You need to be aware. You need to start. Come back to this video. Listen again. Speak again. Train again. Because every time you practice, you improve your English. You improve your thinking. You improve your life. This is your journey, and it starts now. See you in the next lesson.